Hey, what's going on, guys? So I am at Enniskillen doing a wine, really just wine country. We're just bopping around from one vineyard to another. But I have to say, I want to make a video on this. I really dig ice wine. I'm not super into wine, like in general, but ice wine, it just hits different. It's like to me, it's like liquid raisins. It's so good. When I drink regular wine, I think I definitely prefer sweet or semi-sweet wines. I don't like dry wines at all. Like I can definitely get, down with just cheap table wine. That's fine. But this stuff, it's sweet, it's super syrupy. It really is like if you just soaked raisins in honey. That's like the best way I can describe it. This stuff is absolutely delicious. So I'm not going to give you a whole history or anything because I'm not an expert. I just learned some random things. But essentially, they leave the grapes on the vine all through, past the season. You can see it in the picture there. So everything freezes up. And then the sun almost dehydrates them a little bit. And so the process of making the wine is definitely different and it's more expensive. So unfortunately, it's really delicious, but it is more expensive. So like these are smaller, these aren't $7.50. These are what, $3.75 or something? Let's see. Well, this is a 200 milliliter bottle, right? So you can see it's a skinny little bottle, but some of them are bigger. Let's see, what's this one? So yeah, here we go. So $3.75. A lot of these bottles are like this, 375 milliliters, and they average like maybe, I don't know, $80, $70, depends on what kind, if it's age, all that kind of stuff. But I'm telling you, we just did a bunch of tastings today. Definitely got a little buzz going on, but I'm loving it. Like I can have so many different wines. You can hand me a $5 red wine, and I'm like, yeah, it's okay. And then you can hand me a $200 glass of wine, and I'd be like, whatever, same stuff. This, different. Very different. There's also a cool little festival going on, the vineyard out there and everything. This place is awesome. Let's see, they got doing the tastings. They got snacks and food and stuff. You can see all the grapevines out there. Just super fun. But anyway, just wanted to make the video to kind of talk about ice wine specifically. I wanted to know if you guys have tried it before, what you think of it. But I am 100% sold. This stuff is liquid gold. So good. That's it. See you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take it easy.